The original. The Israel vibration.
Yo, Firgo Digital. Legend. Brooklyn legend.
Start here. Start
boy,
here.
You talk about Brooklyn, them they even know the place. We wanna know about Brooklyn. As a matter of fact, we wanna know about New York. Hey, man, Fetis. Yo, Fergie. Kiddy. Drop the thing, no man. Firgo Digital, you know. The real New York sound. Some boy you talk about New York and them they even know the place. Watch out. Yo, Firgo Digital.
Okay.
Represent New York.
Yeah, my request, you know. Tony and Butcher Bantan, the rhythm, you know.
Physical rise.
My request,
you know. Fire them from Parkside.
Yo.
The silence of them now go make nice. Go at the kids can knock you want Firgo, them are no size. Anyhow you go and stush. Then no try straight on flat bush.
No way.
Here we say crow nights. Up here badness we push. Firgo say New York. Next time and them no tech talk. If you violate parties, 90s dogs we back. 50s bad anywhere.
Yeah man, everybody forward up on the forward.
Don't fear.
Party just start,
This New Locks and Van Lavier.
Firgo never play 8 in them, touch nothing on the boxes.
It talks on them wrong side. If you
and them never play no D-bone, cause hey, say me won't play 3D, 2D-bone, right?
no know the code.
So believe me, think the Firgo for play.
On Boston Road. Chidi don't war but them no here still. So him give away him life one day when him a walk on gun hill. Heal up the Queen's crew. When you pass through it's just like a curfew.
Yo,
when we say uptown, downtown, no clown. Cause it's a bad man place. Bad man town.
Bad man place, Firgo town. Bad man place.
In a blood you a John. Cause we a represent to it own. Cause it's a bad man.
Alright kid, you ready?
One sec. Let's go. I wanna be free from all chains and all bangles and rope. Free from all bars and all borders and dope. Free to kill us all because we not break the foe. So I know you I wash your face with Babylon soap. Me have a leap of faith, that mean me have a leap of hope. Life rough and hard, but we the kiddie a cope. Some take it from the level and some slide down the slope. Silent river run deep but gangly.
And we are what?
I was born to be free.
Come on down, gangali.
Come on down, gangali. Firgo all gangali. I know our voice they will sing.
Yo!
Firgo this dance sound.
Kill a D. Oh yo, me you dance nice. Come here, you dance nice.
Sing. Them can't play like a you. When I am a hang up them out and a spread.
Y'all them broad amount of respect.
That's nice, man. That's nice.
Y'all them broad amount of respect goes on the front of the digital. With selector like Kitty.
Firgo owner, if you don't see you, even the fittest the manager, let it go. Big up Colonel and Archibella.
I am here, man.
Coming to you from a cellular. Firgo this dance sound.
Yo, Butcher! Tell them about Firgo sound, man!
Sing!
Them can't play like a you. Well, all them along of them out and a screw. Kill a value. Them can't juggle like you. Well, digitally dumps that you play, them ever brand new. Whap them digital, whap them too. Over Brooklyn and it's in a Bronx too. Excitement, Firgo dubs them never knew. And on base of any bounty night that they will. Digital your dumps them on this bounty bay. Buy them in a heap, you get them in a bungle. Fit a set of cash as we clean a bungle. So now watch we gonna grumble. So backseat, that's why them sound stumble. Be humble. Them can't play like a you. Well, all them a run of them out and a score.
No way. Them can't walk in our show. Yo.
Firgo all left from New York went to make a punch. Yeah, let's see you look come here you dark great line and thunder for the man those who take crowd the council. I ain't so blessed the man who walk.
Stand tall.
God enough standing to the ways of sinners.
Stand tall.
Firgo sit up for them kids, let the man from ups and downs around so yeah, man at broke queen, broke yeah, man. Yes, Mr. Hansman, come give them something. Original bugle. I know. Yeah, Firgo Digital. Yeah, we're upon them.
We want to send out condolence to Capleton, who loses mother. You know, Firgo crew and the LP crew. Because Capleton build them two sound now.
Yo, Kitty. You talk the thing like you don't want the people. Yo, you talk the thing like you don't want the people to hear. Yo, big up the fireman. R.I.P. to the fireman. Them old lady passed away. Big up the fireman. The man passed away. Say R.I.P. Go and sleep. You don't know me, I say. Yo, fireman, big up on yourself. Big up yourself, fireman. R.I.P. again. You don't know. Keep it on, burn the fire. For, yo, make a reason a bit, kiddy. Yeah, and yeah, make a reason. Yeah, give him some ball up on the microphone. Not no night. Him good? Speak on the microphone.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Ladies and plenty, man. Yo, yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't know. Kiddie ranking. Firgo Digital. Long time. You know, man. So make a reason a bit. Go back and play some more tune. And if you still want to play, you can play. Because the rest of the evening is yours. Me just warm up the land for you.
Yes.
That's all me do.
Thanks.
Because I can't make you fly all the way from... Me play too long.
Bless it.
I the first never play so long.
Yeah, man.
But you don't know the vibes. It's nice. Man. Firgo is here.
Yes.
Kiddie is here. The whole team is here. Fittis is here. The whole Firgo team.
Okay.
Yeah. And the whole Spanish Town clique is here too.
Right.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, Kiddie Rankin, introduce yourself. Tell the people about yourself a little bit. You don't know.
My name is Kiddie from Spanish Town.
Slide over. Yes.
Spanish Town, the old capital.
Yeah.
Spain Town, you know.
Yeah.
Then, you know, say, me used to rise St. Catherine Primary to St. Catherine High School and certain school, and then from there, so a music thing, a sound thing, you know what I mean? There.
So which was the first sound system you played when you was a little youth, and what age?
Well, right now, me I go high school said way, so me did really young. So we have a sound on the corner, and it's a punk shop, and the sound named Black Liberation. See?
Black Liberation. From which era? Which era was that?
From St. John's Road and like Valleys Road, right? Right there, so I'm a punk bar and shop. See? So, we happen right there, so now, the man have a sound where him sell fried fish and bammy and them thing there on the corner.
Yeah.
On weekend. First, we start from Jukebox, you know.
Then, definitely, yes. From Jamaica days.
Because we used to go in at the bar and we start punch the Jukebox them.
Yeah.
And when, you know, like the police them and say them, see with them, say, oh, see the youth, man, give me money them. And we throw in there and we start punching through. But we are select the Jukebox like a song. So when we get the 10 cent them and we get 3 tune,
yeah.
We just a punch tune like
tune after tune. Yo.
So
explain Jukebox, because none of them know what's Jukebox.
Yes.
Explain to the people them. Because you're just young people on the life, you know.
Well, Jukebox.
You have to explain what's a Jukebox to them. Let them know what's a Jukebox.
Pluma is a thing where in a bar, you know. At that bar and club used to get them music from. And you have to put a 10 cent in there.
Yeah.
It carry 3 tune.
Yeah.
A Jukebox is a thing where select the tune where you punch.
Yeah. History, yeah.
And just when it punch the tune,
yeah.
It carry it up and turn and put on the turntable, and then it play.
That's nice. Yes.
That means people used to fight for punch the Jukebox, you know, because people used to sit down in the bar.
Everybody want to hear the favorite tune.
And the Jukebox go in the line. That means if somebody come before you and squeeze a tune in the mids when you're feeling tune, go come in your selection.
You might just fuck up the vibe.
And if anybody there, anybody a punch the Jukebox before you, and enough tune there, them have to wait till those person tune play before you start getting your selection.
Like you play so, and all them.
Yeah. So when we go in when we go in we stand up running Jukebox and control it like a sound, like LP sound, right? Yeah, so.
Yo.
And I select. So watch you now. So the brother in the Ashman, him say, all right, Kiddie, here where we are going to know. Friday, we are in build a little sound.
Yeah.
Black Liberation. Him say Friday, we are going to string up on the corner.
Yeah.
So him start string up on the corner and he start ram. People from Homestead, Willowdene, St. John's Road, ram. Like ram. So him build a fence round here, you know. Now we know.
Yes.
Build a fence round here. And I live a Spanish town.
The DJ I
Yes, I
no, don't know. Make the people them see.
I live a Spanish town and come there. Because I pay a bad boy, you know. And then the police them start following. To like come at the dance and I listen and I lick them shot.
Bust them shot.
Yes,
soldier,
them gun.
police.
Soldier.
Yeah.
So I pass and say, youth, I want you to come check me a morning. You know them way there? Me and me I got come.
All you don't know the DJ. It's a DJ named Iri.
Yeah.
You can Google it. Iri.
Yeah, I want to tell you, him come pick me up. Come out there, son. I heard him go out there. Before the bar, open on the thing, and stand up there, drive up the little, I forget one cart, you know.
Yeah.
See? And I pick me up and carry me on place named Kissing Town. And I take out the dub them from, remember back in the days, you know, certain dub, you know, like Money Man's Gang, Barry Brown, Faris, you can't get that in a record store, or you have to go Maxwell Avenue, go cut that a channel.
So we call, in those days, we call those special.
Right.
Special.
So, I take out them dub there, and I say, I play them dub there. You see them dub there when I play, I've done it, Dread, and them big sound, they play them dub there, you know. So I play it on Turbotronic and dance and crowd, right? After that, I go to People's Choice, because I have a connection with Perry. People's Choice are one of the biggest sound in a Spanish town, St. Catherine.
Remember People's Choice from back.
And so, them have me on People's Choice now. You have a selector named Owen, them kind of like me. So me and him there. First, I start DJ on People's Choice.
No for them, what you like thing, you know, because no for them talk about, oh, like, the man like how the man play music here.
Why for the like?
You know, hey, watching the phone, you know.
You have to inform the elder.
No, I have to inform, you know, that's why I stop him.
Yes.
These are kids them nowadays, them change everything around.
Yeah.
And like one time, you know what I say?
Yeah.
But this is a 90s reasoning.
Right.
So I sing on reasoning with the virgin, so anything goes.
Yeah. So from right there, so I up on People's Choice, a DJ. I go up on Creation as a DJ now. Saying, so them take me from People's Choice and camera go Creation. So when I did I selected them Kung Fu. You know?
What age was you start DJ upon Creation, so?
Well, them time there, me really young, you know, like about, and what them time there, Jolly? Yeah, about 20.
About 20.
Yeah, about 20 them time there. Yeah, me upon Creation now. See?
So who was the top selector upon Creation?
Kung Fu.
Kung Fu.
Kung Fu, right? So what happened now? You have Michigan and Smiley, you know, upon Creation.
That was a DJ. Give me
Yeah.
the DJ. Many
You
people
have-
them know the DJ, them was a
You
DJ.
have
upon
Prince Jazz Boy, you know. You have Horace Ferguson, right? So when we upon Creation now, with a youth named Yuga Brown, Flatty Rankin and Branna Rankin, because Flatty Rankin, they are People's Choice too. See? So we are DJ, but me wasn't a big DJ still, you know.
Well, you used to DJ, right?
Yeah, man. Me wasn't a big DJ, but me can hold a 40 in a dance one.
Yeah.
A DJ. You know them way there? But Kung Fu is a man now, we say, the youth, me can take a break and make him play the song because him deep in the thing. You know them way there?
Yeah.
So him allow me to play the song.
General Smiley upon the line. Yo, General Smiley, big up yourself.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
so General Smiley and Michigan Paniso. Them time.
And
You
the
know them
I
way
see
there?
him, General Smiley upon the
Yes,
line.
yes.
Smiley, big up yourself. No respect.
That's
Anyway, you
General
stand
Smiley,
there. Yeah.
Michigan and Smiley.
Michigan and
the
Smiley.
two best combination DJ ever
Come
out
back
of
then and them
Studio
days,
One.
yeah, man.
All right? So, right there, so, Mr. Kung Fu now, him kind of acted it as a selector, you know. Saying, so, it's like Mother G now is a lady control the sound.
Mother G.
Yeah, Mother G
Yes.
control the sound.
It's a lady
See?
from back then.
Yes. So, Kung Fu is a man, you know. If the DJ, them a DJ, you know, and him don't like you or a singer singing, him don't like, I mean, I call no name, you know. But enough of them DJ, they big now, you know. Like, enough of them.
DJ Afki.
Listen, my man, it's not a half-key DJ. It's just a thing where the selector just now want certain DJ hold the mic. Yeah, like that. See, and me can tell you, a five DJ women know and them big right now and singer. Big.
But a real talk.
You have-
This
you
is,
have-
well, I know, this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
real talk IG, so you have to
Yeah,
call the name
yeah.
them.
Eh?
Call them big now.
You want to
big
call
them.
them name?
You have to call the name.
All
Real
right.
talk IG.
All right then.
I know
All right.
disrespect
I'm
that
stick me up.
disrespect. No, I know disrespect.
I don't want nobody, you know.
I
All
get
right,
the
here
history.
one. Him never like Red Rose and him never like Little Twitch. You understand? And them man they become big, right?
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Red Rose, I'm one of my closest friends, you know.
Yeah, man,
in
big
a
up Red
Spanish
Rose,
town.
the singer
So,
Red Rose.
watch this now. You see how the dance used to go, and you see all Wicker man a DJ, and the man say, where you see Red Rose? And by the time Red Rose would start sing, nothing now come to the speaker then. Kung Fu just take out the mic.
Got the microphone.
Put it in her pocket.
Yo,
Yeah.
Kung Fu.
Yes.
Yo, I must China you grew up Kung Fu.
Yes.
Japan.
And watch you now? Yeah.
Pass. Yo, R.I.P. to Kung Fu.
So-
R.I.P.
so what you
Don't
know
know,
now?
pass and gone.
Little Twitch start come, take out the thing, put it in my pocket. And anybody will back in my can push it in back. So them always get a fight. So here what now? Mother G always a problem with Kung Fu, you know, because I say if him go country, remember the days the woman when them say 12 o'clock, then the rest of money if you play.
Yeah.
Him not play that. Yes.
Yo, Michigan, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, we just drop the tune.
Michigan and Smiley.
No, we just drop Michigan, New York City.
No, but Michigan upon the live.
Yes, yes.
So we have to big up Michigan, we have Smiley
and
upon the
Smiley
live.
too.
And Smiley.
Big up. Yeah.
Yes, and
yeah.
Luther and Stitch upon the live.
And Luther
yeah.
and Stitch, General.
Yeah.
So watch this now. So right away, Kung Fu now have problem with people with dance. You know them we had because Kung Fu is a man with lack of his sound, you know. And
which year was that?
83.
84.
Yeah, them lock off his sound. And let me tell you something. It's like him, and me as a little youth run Kung Fu, you know. I say, Kung Fu man, play man, him walk left the sound. Kung Fu and the promoter them always in a war. Sometimes him just go back in yard.
So that's all you get for be the selector. More know all you get for be.
So one night, him left the sound and Mother G was there, right? So Mother G said, Kiddie, here where you do? Go back at the sound. Back in the days, I select a string of sound, you know.
Of course, you have to carry the speaker.
Yes.
You have to run the wire.
So,
you have to help put up the box them.
Yeah. So
then you have to go and go beard and come back.
So Mother G said, Kiddie, he's a smart woman, you know. She said, get a book and get a pencil. Write off all the sound string up. Cause Kung Fu is a man in him smart, you know. It's when him done play, him just pack down his sound.
Yeah. Put,
yo.
Pack
down his sound.
Yeah,
see?
me used to do it back in the days,
Yeah,
you know.
him pack down his sound. And nobody can string up that sound but Kung Fu. Nobody can string up that sound but Kung Fu. See? So what I know, if you don't deal with Kung Fu,
the song can't play.
You know much time the truck late because the truck pack for all the country and there is no Kung Fu. So we have to sit down there.
Yo, Kung Fu thinking smart. I stick Kung Fu, I stick up Mother G, you know.
So Mother G said, Kiddie, get a notebook. I'm going to go around there and write off every wire we plug in at that, plug in at this, plug in at that. Right?
I never see you when you're ready.
No, he gone left a sound that night there. Him leave, him Bex and gone.
Look it up and Bex and gone.
Him walk or left the sound. You know, Mother G tell me, say, go around there and plug it in. So when me, and this again, I go play the sound one night.
Many people them see, many people
play
them
the sound
yeah.
one night without Kung Fu and the dance bus. You know when they come, I know the thing them, you know, cause Kung Fu bring me.
Yeah, slide back over. Yeah.
Kung Fu bring me in the thing, you know, like.
Yeah.
And I show me. And them say, me did their people's choice, and me did them little sound there buy them from outer record store like a Herman clear us out. Every day I go buy thing with my lunch money, you know, records. So I know what tune. I know what tune as a Studio One at a Spanish town. Yeah. Ricky Trooper live around the road from Studio One, you know. Record store, you know. That's a Mr. Sir Cox's mother, you know. Right on Cumberland Road, they say, you know. One little speaker box, they saw. As she sell a record, as she introduced me to Sir Cox when he said, Kiddie, this is my son, you know. Because I go in there every day with my lunch money, go buy record.
Buy record.
Yeah, and she said, Kiddie, come meet my son. You know, I'm from New York, I'm going on the train line.
Yeah, man, we don't know the train line over there,
yes,
so man, from Fulton, man. No, me used to, no, if I DJ, no. If a DJ, well, no, if a DJ, now DJ, I'm not too, because you don't know.
No, all right.
Back in them days, you know, LP thing, you know, it's an LP DJ, you know. So if a newcomer come on, I want the LP member, probably General GT, the one who have to pass the mic for next DJ who know the sound. If I next DJ go up on the sound and him not talk.
You want me take over the sound?
Good mix.
You want me take up the sound now? You want to say singer and DJ?
Forward on the sound.
What?
But me want to know when Papa Son and the rest of DJ them come on the sound system. More you get to that.
Well, all right. Papa Son used to depend. Stereophonic, you know. When Echo dead, Stereophonic with Django.
That's well, no, many people them know that history, you know.
Yes.
That's General Echo the DJ.
Yeah. All right.
General Echo the DJ.
General Echo dead now, right? And Papa Son depend Stereophonic as a little youth. So one day them have a clash with Stereophonic and Arrows with Shaka Shamba and the next DJ and Son kill him. Son kill him. Because Donovan depends Stereophonic, you know. And Donovan come with the speed rapid style, you know, like Donovan, Super Donovan. So
Donovan a DJ speed rapping before Papa San.
Yes.
Yo, history.
Yes.
You see that? History.
Yes.
No. Oh, tell them, make them know who is Donovan. Make them know who is Donovan.
Donovan is a DJ with DJ pan Stereophonic, with General Echo, with Lord, with Mado. See? And Big John and Flux. 3 of them dead together. General Echo, Flux.
Yeah.
You're super cat DJ.
Yeah.
That. All right. So, Echo dead now. Wally San go on the sound of the DJ, but Donovan was dead on the sound and all that, but San go out the outstanding as a little youth. You know, like how you say Beanie Man go around.
What age was that? What age was that?
That was them time the Jolly before creation. Before Sunday creation, because creation go on long time with Michigan and Smile without Sun. Yeah.
About
yes.
1980 that,
yes.
right?
Yeah. So Stereophonic, they kind of get slow, you know, right? But Two Son now did brilliant and people know him. Certain way, say it's a youth with the on Stereophonic and him can DJ. Lee's Unlimited take him on now.
Sound system, yo, history again for the people.
Yeah, so watch this now.
Hold on, my general. Yo, no go for the book.
Yeah.
Pen and paper.
Yes.
So don't even get pen, get pencil. So you can rub out.
Marker.
Yeah. So you have 3 sound in a St. Thomas, right?
Yeah.
You have Abe Lee's Unlimited and you have Aces with Yellow Man. See?
Yellow Man and Fatted.
Yes. So watch you now. So St. Thomas order sell out lease to Vin who own a bike shop on Mall Road.
Yeah.
That are next door to, like it I said, down the road from Supercat, them Cockburn Pen, Mall Road, right? So Lee's Unlimited I play every Monday night at Mall Road. You know who used to run Lee's Unlimited with them have like Ringo and Welton Irie them, but them.
Somebody said don't forget Wolfman.
No, Wolfman a stereo one.
Wolfman a stereo one, man. Wolfman is Lieutenant Stitchy.
Yeah.
Ricky stereo.
We can't come to this.
We don't reach this yet. We don't reach this yet.
That's what
we don't reach this yet. That's how we don't reach this yet.
All right. So watch out now. So Son now end up with a big DJ them. Like when Ringo come back from foreign, Son end up with Welton Irie, Peter Metro, Johnny Ringo, Lou Ranger, Pan Lee's Unlimited, and become a master and a champion Pan Lee's Unlimited. Out of Mall Road every Monday night. You know them selling them say, Zing fence, beat defense, Zing forward passing. And remember one a penny passing with early.
One a penny passing.
Them a come at them dance up on them bicycle and out there so Son kick off. You know them way there?
Yeah.
So right there so Son him like Lee's come a foreign, you know. New York right here so with Son and all of them, right? But
the sound system.
Yes. And then it's like somewhere them never come back at Jamaica.
One of the man they run off?
Yeah.
No, back in them days, back in them days, you know.
Yeah, man.
And I know like the artists them do this thing for money. It was about love and when them can reach a foreign
Least
and they can get an opportunity. You know
Least
what I'm
come a foreign and kill Fittis. Fittis could have tell me one of the biggest dance in a Billmore, you know.
Yo, Fittis, forward. Yo, Fittis.
Least kill.
Fittis, forward. Yo, forward on the reason, Fittis. Forward on the reason.
I try to remember the song where Lee's Unlimited kid.
Forward on the reason, Fittis.
Right? Yeah. Lee's Unlimited kill one of the biggest songs within New York. In a New York City. You know?
Which song was that?
It was which song Fittis when Lee's kill. When Lee's play, it's New Year's Day. Third word.
Yo.
Okay.
Third word. Forward.
Yes.
Well, forward over.
Yes.
Forward. Yeah.
So right now,
yeah.
Lee's come up here with General Brains, Kelly Rankin,
yeah,
Papa San,
yeah,
Simple Simon, and all of them. You know? So Lee's killed Third World. Yeah. Him killed Third World in a Billmore bar.
In a Billmore bar.
Yeah, that's before me and you know.
Way before me.
Yes.
You give me some history to you.
Yes. I don't beat time them. They don't beat and more.
Father school.
And Sir Thomas.
Yes. Look on the camera.
You understand? And Sir Thomas. You see me I say?
Yeah.
African lover and eruption.
Eruption.
Yes.
Yo, Eddie, big up yourself, eruption. Cool.
Yes. So,
yeah. Yo, hey, Killer, see if nobody say no request. Can
it was still the ballroom. It was Int'L Ballroom.
Int'L Ballroom.
Yeah, the Clash one. Sorry.
Not Biltmore Ballroom. Int'L Ballroom.
Yes.
You see? That's
yes.
why they are reason.
Yes.
Well, kid, well, I know.
Yeah.
That's why they are so reason. So whatever you know member, fit is remember.
Yes.
Whatever fit is remember.
Yeah.
You know me, I say me remember.
Remember the tune.
Next person.
Remember the tune where killed Third World.
What tune was that?
Frankie Paul. It's a New Year's Day too. No, it's New Year Day. Come celebrate. Here come Lee from Kingston J.A. and the place here down.
Yo.
Frankie Paul.
Frankie Paul.
Yes, man.
Yo, Frankie Paul, R.I.P. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Fire there must steal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that coming after.
That was the intro before
yes.
and then the fire there must steal. Yo.
So right there, so Lee's never come back at Jamaicans and the right bank creation now. You know where they like right there's a permanent. You know where they permanent. So
them time they play creation now.
Them time they may play creation now. Come we are the new member creation now. We don't like Thriller You, Papa San, Lecturer, Professor Nuts. You know where you know?
Yes.
Dirtsman,
Professor Nuts is a
Lady
DJ
G.
Punk. Me know enough tape back in the days with Nuts.
Yes. Yes, remember Gargan sound. Yes. Professor Nuts used to DJ creation.
Creation. So name it DJ again. Name them again. More hear them again.
Okay, it was all right. Flat is still there. Flat ranking, right?
Yeah.
And then you have Michigan Smiley, always their creation. It's just because Michigan and Smiley always in on tour and foreign.
Yeah.
But every time them back to Jamaica, them is creation like veteran DJ where Walla will look up to. Michigan and Smiley and Prince Jasbo is the man who run creation like the Ella.
Yeah.
You understand? So in Papa San, a Walla way together, San, Flatty Ranking,
Yeah.
O'Neal Famous,
Yeah.
Dirtsman,
Yeah.
Thriller You,
Yeah.
Tipperley Rapper Robert,
Wow.
Horace Ferguson, yeah, Lecturer, Professor Nuts. It go on and on. Ricky Trooper.
Ricky Trooper used to DJ upon creation.
Yes.
Squeeze it, yo! Squeeze it! Yo! Kennedy, bust a shot.
All right.
Bust a shot, man.
See?
Squeeze it, Trooper!
What up, Firgo Digital? What up? You know we don't take bad up. What up, kiddie?
It's this today, no kiddie.
What up?
It's what I know, kiddie.
DJ music DJ too, you know.
It's this today.
Yeah, man.
Cause enough people know him as a DJ.
Yes.
But them takes are just Jaro him as a DJ upon.
Well, them time them don't know Jaro, you know.
Him don't know Jaro.
Him don't know nothing about Jaro.
Tell the
Him
people
know
them.
about creation and creation and Spanish town.
And Spanish town.
All right, watch you now. And me turn Ricky Trooper for select. Because, all right, just like how me and Kung Fu writer now,
Yeah.
a Ricky Trooper side of me, you know, 'cause Ricky Trooper is a youth where always in the music, you know. You know, like when, like oh, you're DJ, but you're in the music, and that was with me.
Him love it.
Yeah, me want to get into the music because me wait till Kung Fu go in a morning, you know.
Yeah.
And then me start play it, the dub, the thing them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm left in charge to do that. You know what I mean? There? So I saw me get nice, I saw Trooper used to do it too. And Trooper is a man, when me look on Trooper, I say, blow, the youth are just tongue in the music, him head just in the music. You know what I mean?
Learn it. Yeah, he want to learn it.
And from there, so because when him left creation, you know, straight a Jaro ain't going, you know. A DJ, you know. But remember, say, all of the crew them were there at town, a mash up town, it come from our hand, you know. See, because you don't even know, say, we bring Jim Kelly, you know. We bring Major Worries, you know. All of them people.
Yo.
A Spanish town. We bring Amamouth, you know. We bring Sugar Bobby. All of them people.
Me know I'm about a Spanish town DJ.
Thriller You. See?
Dirtsman.
Yes. Stone Love son up my gate, you know. Forget Thriller You, you know.
Yeah, many people.
And it become the baddest tune.
Me know and the Stone Love
Father
Anthem.
Power. Respect
Stone
to
Love
Father
Anthem.
Power and Stone Love are the baddest.
Anthem.
Baddest
Stone Love Anthem.
tune. Stone Love have. You know which tune?
I know which tune.
Okay. Okay. You see me I say?
My Stone Love
Yes.
warmer than yo.
And you know, say creation have that tune before Stone Love, but we is a country sound, you know. That are the reason why enough people are town, because our sound book out straight a country. Stone Love play a town and Stone Love boss it, you know. A town Stone Love play, you know, but we play a country all the way. I play a country because remember, say the live DJ thing, you know. Them love a country, you know. Like if you go St. Anne's or
Yeah.
anywhere.
Yeah.
Them make sure say a DJ dey on the flyers and the dancer go around my country. See, you could have juggle at town what people don't really like too much juggling dance a country. A base of the scene, you know, turn over that juggling dance in country and then I think bodyguard take it over. See? Yes. Right. Spinner's choice and them sound there. But all right, you see in a country now. Said base of this start the juggling thing, you know, cause people never like juggling thing, you know. Them want see creation a come and them want see proper sound on the flyers and rare so dance you so go. But when media foreign now, you know, at that time.
But you bring that to foreign too. Papa San, Dirtsman,
yes,
and all
yes,
them, Lady G,
yes.
who are the Mr. DJ for Firgo this
Well,
time.
Firgo is like a creation now, you know.
We don't reach this yet, you know.
Yeah, like
we don't reach this yet.
foreign, you know.
We have enough reason. We don't reach this yet.
Yes.
Because fittest more know the thing with fittest. That's why we call it fittest.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Blessing.
When them get killed, that's why I'm giant. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So continue from the fittest thing there. Because we don't forget about that there. We don't forget about the fittest thing. You see him get killed on the sound by Lees.
No. That is. No,
When Lees come a foreign.
Yeah, when Lees, a
and
third world, that was third world.
Him killed third world.
Yeah, that is
but
third
fittest
world.
was playing some sound system, you say.
No sound system.
No sound system.
No sound
so
system.
how come, all right. So how the interviews come between you and fittest?
All right. You mean with me?
Me and Flatty Ranks and them and their brethren from long time.
Yeah.
So when Son and them come to America with Lees,
Yeah.
I saw me get to link up with Son now and thing. Yeah, Dirtsman and Son and them. So when
Yeah.
them come in, me and them just bridging up and thing, you know, see it?
Them time that you play Firgo Digital though.
No, them time we just start buy 2 amps and them thing, then I will go and build a little thing, you know? No,
So
no,
what was the sound system where you want build?
Well, we start call it Firgo's first, you know. Before Firgo Digital.
King Firgo.
You know. You know, see it? Until it come into Firgo Digital. Just screw
from Stereograph, get the name.
Time cut on the first set
Him
of
get the
doubling,
name. Yeah.
Firgo Digital.
Firgo Digital.
Yes.
Yeah,
All right.
We
You see,
will have Firgo's now, ranking
Joe.
Joe cut special for we and thing.
Yes.
So we have built up with thing. You know me I try to say?
yeah.
Yeah, man.
You see some of them special, like the first time special, when Firgo more you some of them, if you have them. If you have them. Can you have them?
No, the next laptop.
Yeah, what kind of next laptop? Everything's supposed to be in a one laptop, kid him.
Yeah.
Because you can't tell me, yo, people, you know it.
Yeah.
The man can't find the Israel vibration. I can't believe.
No, so I can't find it, you know.
No, you didn't bring the laptop.
Nah, man, you know what
Different laptop.
Certain tune me I wait for step on can.
Yeah, but hear me now, kid it. Kid it.
Yeah,
Kid it.
yeah,
Yeah, what are you You see that tune?
Yeah,
You see that tune?
Yes. Who's the first one?
Yeah, the
Israel
first
vibration
one. No,
ever.
yeah, the first one.
Yeah.
And you have the original.
Yes.
You have to share them together.
Right.
Remember the day when you bring them on that one studio?
Blessed love.
They were asking
Yeah,
for
man.
too much money in them time there. But if it is smart,
Yes,
them days
yeah.
there, you know, I would
Yeah.
advise it.
Yeah, man.
But
True.
later on down the line,
Yeah, man, you got hear it now.
later on down the line, I did vice the tune.
Okay.
And me, I the one who make most of these, all of these songs.
So
right
vice
now.
it, yes.
Vice it now.
Yes, yes.
Me, I the one who responsible for it.
Yes.
You vice it first.
Yes.
You are the original.
Because you know
But
me.
I'm me bossy.
Puma.
I'm me bossy.
Puma, you know
Yeah.
so me attack the Michael Palmer thing before you.
Yeah.
Yes, but you know what? Me fly out. You know, and go Jamaica. And you go. Like I said, place me cut mines, you know, on a certain.
On a certain time there.
Yeah, but look, you know, remember say Michael Palmer all we have years, you know, him short and this and
But
that.
remember them time, you know, when me
Yes.
vice Michael Palmer, you know.
Yes.
Michael Palmer not sing no more, you know.
Yes, that's what me I try to tell
And
you.
racers and gambling. and
That's what.
them thing,
That's why me.
Palmer
That's
deal
why
with
me I try to tell you say him give me the okay.
Yeah.
Seeing I'm gonna fly Ghana Jamaica for come back for vice. And when me come back, him tell me same vice LP. All right, that's what the kickoff one.
But me have to straighten up him vice.
Yes.
You know, me have to give. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah,
Them
yeah,
time me
that's
have
what
to
the
play against King
kickoff one.
Addies.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that make them say the wire pin.
The wire pin.
Yeah, me remember that.
Call them call all Michael Palmer on him
Yes.
phone. They make a super cat call
And
Palmer.
me never know say wire pin back in them days there in a foreign.
In a foreign.
Yes.
Nobody no pin no wire.
Them say why them lose because somebody pin.
But Kiddy, no disrespect to
But you
King
hear about
Addies.
that though?
No disrespect to King Addies. Because we not going to call him.
Yes, yes.
No disrespect to King Addies.
Man say me call him.
No, man, we have to call. I will talk IG.
Yes, yes.
No disrespect to King Addies, but anytime Addies lose, them always an excuse.
The wire
It's always an excuse. Always something. Go on.
Yes.
Because I know you have enough clash with Addies in your days.
Blessed, yeah.
You win some of them?
Well, let me tell you something. One of the biggest dance in a Biltmore ballroom, me and Addies wasn't the big sound.
Yeah.
Listen. You forget about King Custom?
I mentioned King Custom name.
Okay.
Ballet.
Well, King Custom, no, Shotty Diamond.
Shotty Diamond.
Yes, Shotty Diamond, right? Okay.
Yeah.
King Custom
Let me see your face.
was the biggest sound from Newlands. A brother named Jim Pierre, you know. You know who the pan them sound there? Super Cat, Nicodemus.
Yeah.
But you see, Firgo now, we come with a steam, you know, because we are come up like a creation from yard. So when Firgo play, everybody will run creation.
DJ pan
Firgo, yeah, like a Lady
the
G, Papa Son of Dirt. Yes. So when we come with a fire, you know, no matter if you get, all right, just remember, you know, say, me and Addies play, you know, right? And them hire Super Cat and Nicodemus with them Addies, and when them say them now work, Super Cat and Nicodemus walk up on Firgo. See, and Babyface come over there and say, yo, you get paid for your say, and Super Cat say, I want to.
Yo.
Yeah.
The man them say them have it on tape.
Yes, man.
Right?
Yes,
man.
man.
Let me say it clear for them.
Yeah,
Dance in a Biltmore ballroom.
Yeah.
King Addies and Firgo Digital.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
With King Custom.
Yes.
But Firgo Digital sound a beat.
Yes.
Good. Because Firgo used to have a bad sound system back in them time.
Yes.
Right? And with Super Cat, Nicodemus, King Addies higher.
Yes.
Right? That time Firgo Digital Papa Son.
Yeah.
The
competition. And by the end of the night. Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
After the end of the night, before the night done,
yes.
Every DJ from King Addies, Super Cat, Demos, forward from Firgo sound.
Yeah. So we have to kill. We have to kill King Custom, you know. And that was me catch it because Addies did kind of break.
The sound system.
Yes. So me catch Custom, and that was the biggest sound. So it's just like me can't tell you the trend, you know. See? After that dance, Addies kind of chill out for a time, right?
Yeah.
But watch this now. When Addies come back, him say, the first dance him want a Firgo. Because him want victory. You know what there?
He want victory.
Yeah.
He want a rematch.
Yes,
he want
yes.
blood in him.
You know Ethan. You know Father Ethan and my brethren. You know him love real rematch.
No, Ethan love competition.
Yes, aye. He's a good sportman, you know.
He's a
good sportman. He's a good, that man there. That man help business. And you need to get him.
Definitely, man. More along with Ethan and reason with Ethan.
So, you see, all right, now go in front of the camera. You see that dance there?
Go in front of the camera, let them see.
All right. You see that dance there? Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Babyface call me.
Yeah.
Say, Ranks, where you can get a RX-7? I say, Palm Shop.
Look, forward. Let them see.
Palm Shop. We are one of the first sounds string up RX-7 pound sound in America.
You see him RX-7 here, boom.
Yes. So, right? So, Face call me and say, because remember, say we are run star like with that, you know. Stone love them and come, them want RX.
Every Sunday night. Remember back in the days, you know,
right.
Every Sunday night.
So Face call me and say, Ranks, call me down the rest of women can't get RX. I say, go a Palm Shop, man, you know. Face call me back and say, brethren, because you know how Face stay. Yo, me go a Palm Shop, I say, go a Philadelphia, man. You know, I get none in Brooklyn, because them buy them out. You know?
Yeah.
But him never get no RX-7, him get a newer one to RX-7, what kind of wider. See, that one there must say RX-5.
Yeah.
RX-5. If you check certain history, them are going to tell you, say, you say the bounty killer thing, a Firgo and bill it for. You understand? So
which bounty killer thing?
The medley.
The medley, the bounty killer medley.
Yes, where you say VP up.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen, history, hear this.
Yes.
The bounty killer medley.
Yeah.
The sling thing with him.
Yeah, where VP
where
up.
VP have.
In bill it.
King Addies, the dub play, bounty killer medley.
Bill it for Firgo.
Firgo did it.
Yeah.
Yo.
And here what happened now. Him here say me down a yard a cut bounty. You understand? I remember, I'm not even say them thing there. Because in a something you buy out. You buy out.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. But kid it.
Yes.
Nothing you don't say them thing. They depend on real talk.
Yes, man.
Talk the thing there.
So right now, we don't watch it buy out, you know, because we go to Hills and Valley.
Yeah.
And slide through. We don't watch that. You know them way there? See? So, below that, you see that dance there? Shorty Diamond come to me and say, cause them time there, you know, and me and Africa alone a lucky place, you know.
Yo.
Me and Africa alone. Me can tell you some things with me and Africa. And we make liberal of billion. You understand? Because them better try turn me over to Africa juggling, you know. Because when them can't get Africa, them come to Firgo. You understand? Barney come to we, you know, and say, Fergie, you know, Africa play as some play Wednesday, Tuesday, you know. And when we say, boy, we say, Africa spot them there, you know, them say, boy, Africa problem with people. And the only sound can take over that. And we say, we don't really play them things that we Africa play. We are rubbered up sound. A land we play now. See? So, right away, we say, all right, Barney start kind of manage his sound certain way. You know them way there? And Barney say, all right, here we are going to do. We are going to work certain way. And then we start, we never, you dread them say them can't smoke them chalice in a Q club. You know them way there?
Yo.
Actually. So
all them tell 50 same thing there.
Yes.
All them tell Firgo them thing. Yo.
So what you know now, Barney said, nah man. Them want to know. You know say Nick.
That Barney is a man story.
Yes, yeah. You know say Nick, right? Say, me get every sound on the face of the earth. Why I can't get this sound Firgo? So
that's Nick from where? Actually.
So we see a little short man pull up in a limousine and come out.
Many people them see a face.
So then come out and say, I'm looking for Firgo. That's all we get in a actually. You understand? That's all we get in a actually. We start playing a Q club and them club they know. You know them we there?
Yeah.
So right away, we say, enough we think that though. See? That's all liberal love come now. Because him come to Fergie and say, Dread, more and build a sound and BBQ. You know? It was a
which year was that? Which year was that?
That was 93. Yeah, 93.
So 93, liberal love come
forward
from the scene.
And then liberal love kind of, because Milo start manage Africa now, you know. I don't know if you know Milo.
Yeah, man. Come on, Milo is all the restaurant.
Yes. So right away, now, liberal love take up that trend where them did want me, that space where them they want me to fill in, which is means a rubber up sound. So me I say, me not play them thing there. You know them way there?
So the party thing, them with Africa and them thing there.
Yes.
You just step out of that scene because
Firgo
was a rubber up sound.
Because here what now? Let me tell you something, man. Africa are the baddest sound me ever
But
see.
I always say it. But
Africa the baddest juggling sound me say.
Get it? One of them every week me always say.
Yes.
Back in them days, Africa was the sound in a New York.
Big up Claude, Jagabay and Crazy Richie.
Crazy Richie.
All right, watch you now. And we and Africa used to string up 1-1, you know. 1-1. And I want thing me respect Africa to them now where at the Robert up sound, them lower Philip Dennis Brown, the Alternatives and Ray. And then them take up the soul and the
girl thing, you know, the ladies, for the ladies them. Yeah.
And I like now, everybody I play everything I know say LP are the master for that and they might try play out LP.
No, but they must select nowadays different kids.
Because say me and you in a dance now. And a clash we are we are try Billy Bar because we want the people them
enjoy themselves.
We want the people them we want the dance ram. And we want the people them things to sell and we make money. So me I say, so we are going to go in there and we are going to communicate. You know, because I know much time Stone Love come and them name put on a record. Him hold the mic and talk, glamour way and the same thing, and me play. You know them way there? So I saw we me and Africa, you know, Jagabay, we all come in African and Jagabay don't work on African, work on Firgo, me and him. You know them way there?
It's a family, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and they love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see me I say? And them no mind because we build up the thing. By the end of the day, you will get money, me I get money.
And plus you not entertain the people.
Right, and everybody like the unity. You see me I say? So back in the days, it was a better vibes with me and Soundman. Even though we used to clash and talk, call the word, it was a better vibes round the in. Because we not tell nobody about them this and go do that and them respectful thing there, you know. We not do them thing there. See? When it comes certain thing, them start that now and them think they're disrespectful. Me nah go them road there.
I reckon Chupa started. Hey Chupa. yo.
Yeah.
No, but back in them days, you know, it was different. It was respectable.
Yeah.
You know what I say? You come and dance and you entertain the people them.
Yeah.
It wasn't about you. It was about pleasing the patriot.
Right.
You know what I say? everybody have to go, man. You have to make sure them enjoy themselves.
One of the most playing dance me here, I think it a shoot from Canada, you know. I remember if you remember them people that get locked down in Canada. You remember them people used to run our cassette. I don't know what them used to run. In Canada and them get locked down by the feds.
Some cassette people.
Yes, and them get locked down. That was the biggest one where I spread the thing worldwide.
Spread the cassette all about.
I remember saying LP and Firgo was the biggest selling thing on it, you know. You didn't know that? And, I remember that dance.
You talk about them African who used to sell the cassette, them and them things. Yeah.
I remember Firgo and Africa was the wickedest dance. And you know what? And that's so, I think his name's Stereoboom now.
Stereoboom?
Yes.
Stereofish, you talk.
All right, yeah, all right.
We don't know about no Stereoboom. We don't know nobody named Stereoboom.
All right, watch out now.
Stereofish, we don't know nobody named Stereoboom.
Every tune him playing get a Dennis Brown. Every tune him playing get a Dennis Brown. And that was Firgo. See? And you see, after that, who you believe have the most Dennis Brown? You fly down, you know.
Yo, remember one dance in a bit more.
You fly down, you
know.
No,
well, I don't remember one dance in a... Me and Firgo play one dance in a Starlight ballroom. No, man, me never is not D-Bow when I wrote it. No.
The man got Jamaica and come
Jamaica,
back.
Man,
and when come back, me never hear so much Dennis Brown on a sound in a dub. See? So remember say, allow me to tell.
True, you tell.
All right. And they make, and I like a record back. They make.
Rhythm lick over.
Yes.
D-Brown even lick over some of the rhythm. Derek Barnes.
Yes. Up to
today. I'm little brother Gary and Arville.
Up to today, they have on us LP as a Dennis Brown song.
We are the Dennis Brown. song. Yes. But one thing a lot of people don't know,
Me go to that respect.
One thing a lot of people don't know.
Me go to that respect.
A lot of people don't know Firgo have a lot of D-Brown. Enough D-Brown.
Yes.
Because I remember one dance.
Yeah.
I'm going to Starlight Ballroom.
Yeah.
I play with Firgo Digital one time and Selfish Depon. Oh no, I hear one more and we play. So boy, I want to dance in a Biltmore with Firgo and Bodyguard.
Right.
In a Biltmore ballroom. That dance was 1991.
Yeah.
I have the flyer.
Yeah.
And I have the audio for the dance.
Definitely.
Firgo come in and dance, me I tell you, man. And beat about 12 D-Brown, 15 D-Brown straight, man.
Blessed.
The man them beat out everything, man.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
But in the era, the reason I started.
Right.
I'm going to make a play some more tune.
All right.
Right?
No.
Because more hear my request, you know. More hear my request. My request are the Bojo Bantan and Tony Rebel.
Okay.
Make sure you have a tune, you know. Is it now? Come out of here.
All right. May I go to the...
No love the Fergie. You want us, so?
May I go to the live room?
After tune, coming out, you're playing a bit more reunion.
Yes, man. May I go to the live?
Early one.
Yes. May I go to the live?
Find a tune first. More want to start with a tune.
Listen me.
I want to start with some D-Bone. Anything.
May I go start with some other thing and come
some
to
other thing?
Yeah.
No, man. More want more request.
Yeah, look now.
Me I be like a little kid now.
No, watch it now. Watch it now. More and go with that juggling and then say me can find a tune in the closet.
In the space.
As what me tell you, say, this is a special fly out, you know. I'm not just compensate.
No, man, I hear a platform. The rest of even is Firgo Digital, man.
Yes, so I don't know if that in the library, right?
Yo, kiddie, you have it the last time, you know. You come a bit more ballroom, you know.
Yes.
Bit more reunion, remember?
Right.
The reunion, bit more reunion. You play it in the early one.
All right, now go into the lab now and see if it's
yo, but if in the lab,
let me drop some tune for the people. All right.
Yo.
All right.
Play some tune. I'm a reason again. Play some tune.
All right. Killer D.
Yo. The land just get hot.
It
just get warm.
Rule the nation.
Bad people there. Move. Bad people there. Move.
Hit the ranks. Hello, people. Good night. It's about time this song starts to play. And all those little guys over there, y'all don't disrespect or, say nothing a little wrong. Killer talk. I'm back. Firgo Digital from 19 along me and my father. Say my back nothing. Every time you pull your gun out your waist, I back your back. That's how I do. The Lord is Firgo Digital Shepherd. Kiddie rank shall not want. Yea, though this song walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we fear no evil.
You don't know the song, I big up 57 times, my man said, kidding, worry yourself, you said, Michael was in dance. Ding, not a boy.
What up? Yo, shit! What up? You know we don't take what up. What up?
Kill sound here, robbery, murder over there, them no ready. Firgo Digital. out in the dance. Firgo digital sound, yes, the #1 sound. No sound can test, no they really, no they can rest. When this sound a juggle.
Hey, Firgo, turn on that now.
Tell them it's the Firgo. Alright.
Hey, Kiddy.
So the world go.
Yeah, someone now walk back with Kiddy.
Hey, sound boy.
Yo.
So when you're in, out.
Killer. We have to say, boy, Caperton mother drop out, you know. And that's one of our favorite DJ. See? So here we are.
Tell them say Firgo digital. Alright, again, none of them bad like the general. Whoa, them never drink the water from the mineral. Them this Firgo now send them in them funeral. Whoa. Firgo digital.
Rest in peace to Mama Fire, you hear that?
General.
Put some fire up on the screen for Mama Fire right now.
Big son, watch him on the Firgo.
Put some fire up on the screen for the prophet.
King of Fire represent. Step in a boy face.
Read him up.
Tell them it's Firgo.
See man, them would know you now walk back here.
We kill it.
Yo, fire up on the live, yeah, man. I go. Come down.
So when you're in, when you're out. Never get caught by them corruption route. No, when you're out. This Firgo digital.
Yo, what if fire them there?
Oh, you that's a dumb and go. Be a bad team, man. Tell them it's the Firgo.
Yo, fire up on the live.
So the world go.
Fire up on the live.
Without fun, so when you're in, when you're out. Never get caught by them corruption. When you're out. This Firgo digital, them a go get cast out. Now in a Sodom and Gomorrah. Be a batty man. Sodom and Gomorrah. Be a lesbian. Sodom and Gomorrah.
Firgo digital a play.
Sodom and Gomorrah.
Nobody feel like that's all you start to song. What's your Michael Rose? You remember this?
I'm in say hot stick, sting on a home. Firgo have them Sunday on the fire. I'm in say hot stick, oh yeah. Them can't cross Firgo digital border. From fittest was a boy, him a murder little jumping son. Yes, them want to know the order. Imperial Majesty set the border. No little sound can cross over. A Firgo digital make them run, let them shadow. Hot stick.
Yo, share the life and share it.
I own them a cool this fire. I miss a hot stick. Oh yeah. Firgo digital and murder them sound.
Share it.
I miss a hot stick.
Anytime you buck up in a Firgo digital, just make sure you tell your family them goodbye. You hear that? You hear that?
No beg.
Fireman.
Alright. See ya, you're lifelong, but you're careless with it. If you're this Firgo digital, you surely lose it in name. You're lifelong, but you're careless with it. If you're this Fergie, that one.
You're kidding!
Murderation. Say Firgo kill again, murderation.
He's the one, she big up.
Murderation. Say fit this kill again, murderation. Kill the ranks, no beg people friend, cause we are gonna murder them. Cause we gun pick off for them. We are gonna murder them. Them and them batty man friend. We are gonna murder them. Them and them Saddam my friend. We are gonna murder them. Them and them.
Firgo digital.
Don't just start reading with a singer. Yo, Sanchez.
Listen.
In that dance here tonight.
Something's wrong. Rocking bed. Music that Firgo sound came along and broke.
What up, Firgo digital? What up? You know we don't take what up. What up? Tell them to
never forget this.
Listen up!
When the Virgo plays,
listen up!
Oh, they so tremble.
God, that's it!
They so tremble.
God, it!
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. Virgo Digital giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness. Everyone is gonna love it.
Virgo Digital play. We are taking it back to Biltmore, Starlight, Flamingo, and them place there.
Lord of mercy.
Who remember?
Whoa, there's a sound in the lawn, and it's Virgo Digital.
I will.
All the place around.
That's nice.
At the same time, where's the communication style? Anyway,
no, kid,
Lord of mercy.
No. Tap it. Tap him on.
How would I rap with?
Tap him on. Dance I get nice. Yeah, man, say. He must some tune for play. Now leave him make him play where he want to play that.
See. At the same time, where's the communication style?
Some room.
A real talk, I see. Real talk, I see. Anyone know who I play?
There's a sound in the lawn, and it's Virgo Digital sound. And the sound play much better than tomorrow.
Yo.
And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. You find there's no hurt or sorrow.
Digital. Tell me no, oh, in the dance and I roll.
Wheel up that.
At the same time, where's the communication style? For the world.
Yo, me say them tuna can't done. Them tuna can't dead.
There's a sound in the lawn, and it's Virgo Digital sound. And the sound play much better than tomorrow. And if you really try,
move all over the world.
I can't remember them tuna in a bit more ballroom. Be a bullet in the ceiling.
Find there's no
red fall in there.
Tell me no, oh, in the dance and I roll.
Yo, me say the man come here for burn on it, yo.
You are your back and don't can me son, tell me no. Oh, digital dance all around. Come together, God the Father so. Get it, there was a beginning. Tell them you got to be your end. Come let us sing.
Earlier we got talk about them artists here. I don't remember Michigan and Smiley. You remember that song here?
You like the pencil of your corporation, gonna make this great up and again. That's not like that. Different with up on the stage.
Yeah, Michigan!
Virgo Digital sound man, then just up in a show.
You see that tuna? Remember when we was a little youth, you know?
Boy, hold on.
Yo.
The live I got done.
The live all done?
The live I got done.
No, I'm Michigan up on the live one check in.
Yeah, but the live I got done.
It got done?
Yes.